Hi everyone. So this is the RigExpert Stick 230. It doesn't even say 230 anywhere. Stick is right here. Um, I had RigExpert 1400. The unit's really big, and when I used to put it in my bag, it's just like it's a lot of machine for what it did. So I sold it and I bought this. We'll see if it's any better. It's going to be better definitely because it's smaller. Look at that. Wow. So that looks really nice. All right, let's so that's USB-C. That's really nice. And then I'm not sure what this is for. There you go. And that's where oh, this is nice. You connect your SO239 right there to measure, and then you turn it on somehow. There's definitely a lot of steps that you're going to need to understand to do that. Looks like it comes with, I don't know if this is some instructions or not. Let's see. No, just some type of technical support. You probably have to go online to find out. There's our, oh nice, USB-C cable. Looks like something, lanyard, right? That looks nice. That's really nice. Definitely much smaller than the 1400. Very portable. I can easily put this in my bag. It's not that bulky. Apparently it has Bluetooth, so you can connect it to a computer. All right, I'm going to be using that, and I'll probably have another video to show on this exciting new technology. So this is the RigExpert Stick 230. It's on sale, $40 off at HRO. Originally $300, but $40 off. All right, so if this is an interesting video for you, any information that you think was valuable, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I hope to see you soon. This is Frank, KN6BST.